and welcome back to the channel Live Life Gorgeous. Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing great. Super great. So, how are you all? Those who are new to my channel, welcome everyone. This is me, Snigdha, and you're watching Live Life Gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you already a part of it, thank you so much first of all. And don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want, you can share your comments down below. Yeah, without wasting time, let's just proceed ahead with today's product. I got this parcel today. So मैंने सोचा आप सबके साथ अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं. मैंने इसे अनबॉक्स नहीं किया हुआ. So ये है पार्सल मूचा ब्रांड का. So ये ब्रांड है एक इन्फ्लुएंसर का called Bruno, and let's just check that out. This is gonna be my first product from her brand, so let's just check that out. And this is quite a different concept. वो हम अनबॉक्स करने के बाद देखते हैं. So इसलिए मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था. So let's just check that out. So let me open it in front of you all. So मैंने सोचा कि ये ऑर्डर किया था. So अनबॉक्सिंग आप सबके साथ ही करते हैं एज ये इन्फ्लुएंसर का ही ब्रांड है. So let's just open it all together on the social media platform only. So yeah, let's just see. Oh wow, so beautiful. So I like the box, I like the packaging, and let's just check that out. Okay, we have to just give me a minute. So here we opened it, and let's just check that out. Okay, so we have this and a thank you card.
So thank you for choosing us. We hope you love our product as much as we love creating it for you. You're beautiful inside it.
Out. Love from T. Rucha. So yeah, this is what I got, and this is empty inside, but the box is pretty nice. We can use it again, and yeah, let's just check that out. Okay, so this is the product called Lush Ink, and this is in a shade of 8. 8 is a shade, and yeah, this is petroleum free, cruelty free, paraben free, vegan, blah blah blah. बस ये था कि मुझे इसका कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत डिफरेंट लगा जितनी भी लिप शेड्स होती हैं so this is how it look. So this is the concept of this is like a marker. So the Lush Ink is the name, and let's just open it, look at it. So just check that out. So oh wow, oh wow, this is this is like a marker. Oh my god, this is so easy to apply on because brush can move like this, like this. So this is really so cool. So this is the shade. आपको फील भी नहीं होगा आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो. माय गॉड, ये बिल्कुल स्केच कलर्स आते थे ना, ये वैसा फील दे रहा है. इट इज सो कूल. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट इट. आई होप इट इज विजिबल. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. Yeah, and why it is splashy over here? See, yes, it's splashy here. I don't know why. Okay, so I mean, I really like it. So this is literally looking like a sketch pen. So ये sketch pen की तरह ही लग रहा है, isn't it? So I really like it. So packaging is superb. और इसका concept जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, it is just like a marker, and look at the shade. This is the 8 shade. I mean, मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ चाहिए था. I mean, this is not at all dark, but ये lip shade, like this is not at all a lip shade. This is not at all a lip tint, but this is in between. So I mean, this is so cool concept. It's such a nice concept. I really like it. Seriously. और मतलब मेरे को कुछ ऐसा था कि कुछ different लेते हैं, so इसीलिए I really like it. And yes, if we talk about the quality, बहुत lightweight लग रहा है onto my lips. बहुत lightweight feel हो रहा है. कुछ इनफैक्ट लग ही नहीं रहा है कुछ अप्लाई किया हुआ मैंने. Oh my god, oh my god. And is it transfer proof? दिख रहा है कुछ आपको? Nothing. It's just oil. ट्रांसफर तो नहीं हुआ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ ट्रांसफर. So yeah, it is transfer proof, and the price, 389 is the price. And ingredient, if we talk about aloe vera, rice extract, panthenol, jasmine flower extract, hyaluronic acid, peptide, full ingredient. You can visit our website. इतने ingredient they have mentioned और बाकी ingredient के लिए you can visit. But मुझे कुछ भी feel नहीं हो रहा है like onto my lips because I mean एक तो apply करना is such a cool way to apply and this is feel like sketch pen. So this is here my sketch pen, my lip sketch pen. So the name is Lush Ink and it totally works like ink and yeah, so this is how it is. So long stay इन्होंने 12 hours बोला है. मैंने तो ये बस unboxing के लिए वीडियो बनाई थी. So I'll मेक अनदर शॉर्ट वीडियो जिसमें मैं ये सब भी ऐड करूंगी कि ये लॉन्ग स्टे इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 आवर लॉन्ग स्टे है. आई विल चेक दैट आउट. दिस इज हाइड्रेटिंग डेफिनेटली. दिस इज प्लम्पिंग. डू यू फील लाइक इट इज? Okay, I don't know. I don't feel like it's plumping. Peptides, aloe vera extract, rice extract, jasmine flower extract, hyaluronic, panthenol. So yeah, all these things I've already told you. So this is how it is. I really like it. The box was amazing. ये आप reuse भी कर सकते हो. This quality is really good. And and this is the thank you note जो कि मुझे मिला है इसमें से. So thank you so much and this is so nice and I just wanna say Bruno. I think Brunal Sharma now. So yeah, so it is really inspiring for all the women or influencer we are. How hardworking she is. कहाँ से start करके now she became where and now she have opened her own brand Rucha. So this is quite inspiring and this is one of the things that we can also reach to that. So this is kind of inspiring and thing like this created by someone जिन्हें हम देखते आ रहे हैं. The growth she made it commendable. So yeah, I really like your product. Okay, so if you're watching, I really like this product. Really, really, really highly recommend it to everyone. If you really want to buy it, just go and have a. इसमें एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ और एक और शेड था. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर नाउ. मैं यहाँ मेंशन कर दूंगी. वो मुझे करना था. वो तब अवेलेबल नहीं था. आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था. ये जैसे ही आया है मैंने उसके नेक्स्ट डे ये मैंने ऑर्डर किया एंड वो नेक्स्ट डे में ही आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था. So yeah, you can get it. मतलब आप समझ सकते हो. So yeah, you can just go and have your hands on this Lush Ink Rucha Beauty. So just visit there and have your hands on this thing because you're gonna love it, and especially for the college going girls, you will gonna love it. So you just have a look, and if it will really gonna stay for 12 hours. I mean, this will be set a bar literally. So yeah, this is the new concept. I really like it and thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I just hope आप ऐसे ही all the products लाते रहो so that we can enjoy all these things. So yeah, I just love this Lush Ink and thank you so much. So I hope you like it. You like the unboxing video from your Rucha Beauty and girls, just go and literally buy this product. You will love it. And this is not at all a lip shade. This is not at all a lip tint. I mean, this is in between something, but you will love it. और see कितनी portable है ये, कितना compact size है ये. So you can carry it anywhere, like anywhere. So this is compatible for all the college going girls, all the professionals, and anyone, any women who like coloring their lips. So yeah, just go and have your hands on this because this is waiting for you girls. So hope you like it and see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Take care.